So just for the sake of recording, once you're on a Thunkable page, you go log in, then you will see the login options that using Google or Yahoo or Apple or whatnot. Then once you have logged in, you won't be seeing the apps that I have here. Okay, but you will be only seeing start building or create a new app. Is that okay? So under the free version, you only will be able to create 10 apps. Okay, so that's why you can see it's all public, it's not private. Under the free version, all your projects will be public. That means everyone can view your project. So I'll click on the new app. Do you see this pop-up page? Is everyone able to see, or shall I enlarge it further? Is this okay? So do let me know if I need to enlarge. If you can't see, then enlarge it. So if you see this, when you create a new project, you'll have options to include the project name. So here you can actually put a name, my talking app. So we are going to make an app that can talk. So whenever you feel lonely, just kidding, you already have other things to do for that, right? So you can give whatever name, but we're going to start off with the talking app, which we won't be able to do today because it's already 4:50. We'll continue. Under the category, is it compulsory? So you see, if you want to make it private, you see, you need to upgrade to make it a private. So you can't make it a private project. So it's okay for learning purpose, just make it public. Now there is this use drag and drop builder, and there's a checkbox, right? Do not check this. Again, I repeat, do not check this box, because if you check this box, then you click on create. Whenever we're doing the workshop, my layout and your layout will be different, and then you'll get stuck on how to actually follow. So do not check this checkbox. Is it clear? So when you click on create, it'll ask you, no, please select a category. So maybe you can put as education or whatnot. Why they need this category is whenever you do some search based on the category, they can list out the list of projects. And then you click on create. So once you click on create, this is your workspace. Right? So in our next class, I will explain to you about the workspace, this entire workspace, and what each component stands for. You can see one sample here, your screen. This is your phone screen, you can see here, right? This is the property. So I'll explain to you in our next class your properties of everything. Okay? Any questions that you all have?